one of the big advantages of Workplace is it has got no user restrictions. Right? You can actually have a very large group of people, and it is helpful to have a platform that allows different interest groups to interact with each other. I think it's quite easy to use, it's intuitive, and because it is quite similar to Facebook, a lot of people will find it quite easy to navigate the UI.
A product is only successful if it is made well, if it translates and scales up very well, and the UI is good enough for any layman to understand. And I think Facebook Workplace ticks all three boxes here and gives a very good package to any large community using and interacting with each other in this largely online or digital world.
So I was able to see the security and other statistics about different potential threats to the platform. So it gives me a heads up about whether there are any risks. And we were also able to have statistics on attendance, who's on the platform at any point in time. It's quite good for security as well.
When it's coming to customization, the platform has a really cool and helpful FAQs and the solutions where we need to, but we just need to know where we need to go if you want to do something. So that really helped us to get the platform smooth experience for everyone. This Workplace platform serving its purpose and really helping us to reach Tier 2, Tier 3 people who are very far and cannot reach through physical journey.
There were people who have not used digital devices that much. They got on the platform and they were absolutely blown away by content that we had to deliver, and we were able to do that through the good auspices of the platform, right? So we had good content, but it's a lot about execution. It's how do you deliver the content to the people in those different areas to consume, and because the platform allows us to do that with ease.
Workplace offers a very similar look and feel, or UI when a user starts using. The words used, the rooms, the groups, the posts, the likes, comments, etc. All of those translate very well from Facebook, and with that understanding already built in, it gives a very smooth selling experience for any user.
So Workplace is by collaborating all kind of people and perspectives. So it's really helping people to get onto the platform and learn, have fun, communicate and network. So this is really helping for the people. So it's a really good platform.
It was sufficient for people to have a mobile data connection in a rural area, and they would use an Android device to connect to Facebook Workplace. And so they were able to, to take part in the different events that we had, and they were able to watch the content, and they were able to provide comments. And because the platform also allows different languages, they were able to give comments in their native tongue. So it does give a lot of flexibility, and it does allow us to reach out to our target audience in building India through enterprise.